Hello everyone, this is Coding Atlas, and today we have a very simple tutorial about switch case. So let me write a simple program and I will explain what it does after it. So what we have here? We have console.write, which writes a text and keeps the cursor on the same line. So what it means? Normally, when we had write line, it was printing the text and then on the next line the input was. What we do now is we write the text and the input is on the same line, so we'll have this text and the input here. We do it for decoration reason, to make it beautiful. Then we read a number, and here what we have here, switch. Here we put the variable name, it can be anything, integer, string, anything. Then we have multiple cases. We write case, and the case which we want to work with. For example, 1. So if num is equal to 1, we do this thing. If num equals to 2, we do this thing, 3, 4, 5, etc. That's how it works. In the end of every single case, we need to add break. Break means that the block ends, so when it meets break, it just goes out of the switch and it does this line, the line that goes after switch. That's right, program finished. So, if num equals to 1, we print you entered 1. If it equals to 2, we write this, 3 write this, 4 write this, 5 write this. Default is every single other case besides this. So the number is not between 1 and 5. So let's try run it and see how it works. Enter a number between 1 and 5. And see, input is here. Let's write 4. You entered 4, program finished. Let's try write 7. Number is not between 1 and 5. Perfect. And let's see what's the difference between write and write line. I'm gonna write write line, and let's see now. You see the input is here, so when I'm writing something, it goes here. That's why we will use write, so it will be on the same line. It makes it more beautiful. 42 is not between 1 and 5. Let's try write some other numbers. 2, you enter 2. Okay, so it works. You can experiment with this, add different variables, different types, different cases, and it will be more clear for you if you didn't understand it right now. This was all for today. It was a very short tutorial. See you in the next lesson.